Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Guide. Today in this video, let's learn about how to hide your phone number in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, let's go to WhatsApp app. Now we need to click on this three dot icon in the top right corner. Now click on settings and we need to click on privacy over here. So let's tap on this. Now click on about. And here we can see that your information can be seen by everyone. If you want only your contacts to see your phone number and other info, you can tap on My Contacts. But if you want nobody to see it, you can simply tap on Nobody. So it's done. Now you can get back. And this is all we need to do to hide our phone number in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.